Hello everyone, my name is Ayush Raina and I am currently studying in 8C IVPS and I mainly contributed in content designing and editing of the website.
Hello, my name is Akshit. I'm currently studying in class 8C IVPS and I mainly contributed in the web designing of the forms and the making of presentation and videos.
Hello, I'm Agnin Dasgupta of Class 8C IVPS Noida, and I mainly contributed in the web development of this website.
Our website is based on innovate to provide equal opportunity, skill development and encourage participation of women in local businesses. Our website mainly focuses on women empowerment. Now, what is women empowerment? Women empowerment is empowering movement and the rights of women and accepting them as a capable human being of making decisions in the society. It is the most important aspect of the development of the country.
In the home tab, we have given introduction of a topic and some quotes of Indian women personalities. In features tab, we have given the factors which affect the women empowerment. In the course tab, we have given some courses of different local businesses, as local businesses create a base for women to show their talent in different fields. In About Us tab, we have given the roles played by our team members. In Contact Us tab, we have created a form in which you can fill the information of yours with your qualification, which then will reach us as a response, and then we will respond through mail. In Inspirational tab, we have given some speeches of different women personalities across the world. In navigation bar, when you will click on the logo, it will take you to the website of Ministry of Women and Child Development, which is the only government website right now which is helping in women empowerment in India. Thank you.
To make our website, we have used coding languages or programming languages such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. To make our website, we have added a lot of forms. In the features tab, we have added an advertisement form, which provides an advertising platform for the women who want to advertise their products. So by clicking on this link, we can access the advertisement form, and it contains several questions, such as if you are looking for further employees to manufacture or deliver our product. And if they fill yes in this form, we have got a contact us form. And in this form, it is a job come feedback form. And over here, there are some questions such as if you're looking for jobs, what is our qualification, and if you have taken any courses from our website. And according to the responses, we can compile them and make the people communicate who want the jobs and the people who want to employ the workers. Most importantly, our website contains a lot of courses. It also contains a lot of information related to women empowerment and the importance of local businesses.